In this video, you'll learn step by step how to design a polished Canva poster from scratch. Start by opening Canva and searching for poster or campaign posters so you begin with the correct dimensions. You can pick a ready-made template for a quick start, or choose a blank canvas if you prefer full creative control. Everything in Canva is fully editable, letting you customize the layout freely. Set the background first by choosing solid colors, gradients, or photos, and focus on contrast so your text stays clear. You can add shapes like rectangles or circles to build sections or highlight key details. Maintain spacing around edges to avoid clutter and keep the design balanced. Next, insert text using the text tool. Create a strong visual hierarchy by making your headline bold and eye-catching, your event information medium-sized, and supporting text smaller. Limit your design to 2 or 3 fonts for a consistent and professional look. Adjust line spacing, alignment, and color for readability across different screen sizes. Add images by uploading your own or selecting from Canva's stock library. Use frames to crop images neatly and overlays to soften them if they compete with your text. Enhance your poster with icons, graphics, or lines that support the message. Use transparency and position controls to layer elements naturally. Consistency matters, so stick to a matching color palette and cohesive illustration style. Before finishing, double-check your hierarchy to ensure the most important details stand out instantly. Add your logo and apply brand colors to shapes and text. Leave spacing around the logo so it looks clean and intentional. Once everything feels polished, click Share, then Download, and choose PNG for online sharing or PDF print for high-quality printing. Your poster is now ready to publish, print, or promote. This approach helps you create clean, organized, and professional posters suitable for any event or promotion. It keeps your poster clear, good,